Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. India's new airline Fly91 reveals first look as it gears up to fly by winter. Kashmir Tourism Department introduces new rates for Shikara rides in Dal Lake. Piyush Goyal urges Goa government to develop homestay policy to promote tourism. Global air traffic at 90.5% of pre-COVID-19 levels in April 2023. Odisha train crash. Railways launches high-level probe, says anti-train collision system wasn't available en route. Mumbai-Goa Vande Bharat Express. Timings, stoppages, route and travel time. IndiGo steps up foreign expansion plans with 6 new direct flights to Africa and Central Asia. Valley of Flowers opens for visitors. Avalanche reported at 2 sites on trek route. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.